best here at Weston Park. We spared no expense bringing you these superstars, the global stars, and an extra 300s. You don't see that very often now, do you? One of their signature manoeuvres when they come back will draw two hearts in the sky over 1,000 feet apart. With the fireworks on board, that is going to look sensational. Here they come, 12 o'clock, coming towards us. They're going to break. This will be spectacular. Get your cameras out, everybody. You've got to watch this now. This is wonderful. Look at this. Oh, wow. You see this here first. You can just imagine how important the man in the front is. For however many minutes they're in formation, their eyes never leave the team leader for 1 second. It is amazing, isn't it? What do you reckon, kids? You like it? More importantly, it's important to impress the ladies. Ladies, are you enjoying it so far? God bless you. Blokes, are you enjoying it? So from the left, up high, watch this, watch this. It's very difficult to differentiate between the aeroplanes. They're now so close, over 300 miles an hour, inches away from each other. The world's best formation pilots. Ladies and gentlemen, this is incredible. You want to see some more? Do you want it to carry on? All right. Trust me. Look ahead of us. Watch this now. Watch this. This is the big part. This is the one. This is what we've been waiting for. Here come the hearts. What do you reckon? Talk about synchronization. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, perfect match. The global stars. Goodness me. Yeah, but you two on the Reds duo do that. It's a bit different when you're on the ground though, isn't it? So that was, of course, their signature maneuver executed to perfection. It's time for them to come into land, and although they're flying those big powerful aeroplanes, they can hear you, I assure you, they can hear the crowd, but only if you make a lot of noise, because they do appreciate it. They fly and do these demonstrations all over the world, but they're here on our turf, their turf, so let's show them the love. The global stars, pilot number 1, give him a big Western round of applause, come on! That's our team leader. It's time! Look at this! Ladies and gentlemen! Glider is alive. Look at this. Perfect sky. Pilot number 2, give a round of applause. Mark Jeffries landed first, then he was Tom Casals. This is Ian Gallagher. Pilot number 3, Chris Birkin. Come on, girls, sing the song. You know you wanna. And making the final approach, the last to fly in for us is Mike Pickett. Global Stars, Mike Pickett, let's have a big round of applause, come on, come on! Ian Gallagher with the glider, look at this! Gallagher with the fireworks streaming from the leading edge of his wingtips to the right hand side, and because he's not under power he can hear you much better than the extras guys can from Global Stars. So as Ian Gallagher comes in and lands, we'll give him a big round of applause. What do you reckon? Not yet, wait for it. And if he looks to his left, he will see you guys waving So why don't you stand up out of your seats, give him a big cheer and a round of applause. That is Ian Gallagher! Give him a wave, kids, give him a wave. Did you enjoy that? Do you want some more? I don't think you do. Should we just stop it now? Let's finish the show. Do you want some more? You got it. Are you ready for a party? Come on, let's have it. Come on then. Saturday night in our lovely country. Rona is making its way out of our lives, so let's have ourselves a party. Come on. Yay! Say what? Come on, let's turn the music up. Let's have ourselves a sing-song. Turn the music up, Matty. 3, 2, 1, say. Come on. Looky, looky, looky. This is Guy Westgate. And this is the powered Grog glider. Let's turn the strobes off. And let's enjoy the aerial display for the one and only Guy Westgate. Here he comes. Hundreds of display acts all over the world, flown by Guy Westgate. This is the Grob 109B motor glider. Over 3,000 pyros and over 1,800 LEDs on this aeroplane. Here at Weston Park, it's Guy. Couldn't ask for better weather, could we? This is wonderful. This is Chloe. Oh, isn't that stunning? Lovely to see your appreciation for one of the world's best aerobatic display pilots. This is Guy Westgate, everybody. Low level Look at the pyrotechnics. Ladies and gentlemen, are you taking photographs of this? Oh, come on. If you love what you see, give us a cheer and a round of applause. Western Park, the Model Spectacular, with a fantastic light show, pyrotechnic spectacular. This is what you pay your money for. Come on. Look at this. Come on, let's have a sing-song. Come on, we know the words. And as we wait for Guy Westgate and the Grog to come in on the right-hand side, and once again, he's been part of our show circuit for the last 15 years. And we love to see Guy fly, along with Rob Barsby, his partner, but it's just Guy Westgate tonight for us, and you'll see on the right-hand side as he approaches. So it looks like Guy is actually going, he's flying off, he's going somewhere else, he's not going to land. Right, so we're going to continue with the fireworks spectacular, but we're also going to now combine RC planes. Do you want to see some more action? And I want to hear a very loud yeah! You're a cracking crowd. Thank you for coming along. Give yourselves a round of applause. Come on, what a better place to be on a Saturday night than here, eh? So we're going to get our final flyby by Guy Westgate, and he's going to look out of his left hand, his port side window, and everybody's going to stand up. Everybody stand up, come on, because he can't see you. Everybody up, and we're going to do a big wave to Guy Westgate because we absolutely loved what he did for us. And here he comes on the flyby. Come on, let's give him a big wave. Come on over here, Guy. There he is, Guy Westgate. Let's give him a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. You can see all the crowd. It's not that dark yet. Over 3,500 LEDs, as we can see there, lighting up the night skies.